If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or a salesperson, how can you screw up a deal and why does it matter? This is an important question. I'm Scott Sylvan, coming to you live for HVAC Tech Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you. I am coming to you live from my second home of Oahu. Got Diamond Head in the background. Sunset just happened. It's a perfect day. So today I decided that I needed an iPad Pro. I got some travel coming up, got some notes that I got to take. So across the street from the park, there's a mall. So I go to an electronics store and I buy this iPad Pro. And I talk to the guy and say, hey, look, I'm here. Here's what I want. I want an iPad Pro, 12.9 inch, 512 gigabytes of memory. And he goes, hey, you know what? Have you considered buying a terabyte? And I go, no, why would I do that? And he says, because it's double the RAM. It goes from 8 gigabytes of RAM to 16. I go, I can't run Final Cut Pro on this thing. I can't video edit on the program that is native to Apple, so I'm probably not gonna do it. So for 10 freaking minutes, 10 minutes, this guy starts telling me all the reasons why he loves his terabyte iPad Pro and all the things that he does with it. And in the back of my head, I'm like, nyap, 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 nyap. And this is why you should join HVACTechSecrets.com. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not on the YouTube channel. So for 10 minutes, I'm in living hell. This guy's telling me all the apps that he runs, all the things he does, and I'm like, I don't care. Like, I got a board meeting I gotta be at. I got people I gotta meet with. I have things to do. Like, I was hoping to run in, run out, 15 minutes max. No, this guy chewed through my time telling me all the reasons why I needed to get the same iPad that he wanted. You're like, Scott, how does that help me? There's gonna be times where you meet with a buyer and they want what they want. They want what they want. They don't care what you have to say. They want what they want. And if you won't sell it to them, somebody else will. I got to the point with this dude where I'm like, mommy, make the bad man stop. Mommy, make the bad man. I'm gonna leave. I have got to be at a board meeting and I'm getting pissy, and maybe I'm not gonna buy this iPad Pro. Maybe I'm not gonna get the Magic Keyboard. Maybe I'm not gonna purchase a pencil. Maybe I'm not gonna, like, I'm getting frustrated. I finally tell the dude, like, dude, bag it up. Charge me. Run the card. Let's go. I got things to do. If you're with your buyer and you make them angry enough that they're just like, I'm just gonna go buy it somewhere else, there's plenty of other places for me to purchase. I could have gone to Best Buy, right? I could have probably gone to Walmart. I probably could have gone to a million different places to buy this freaking iPad where somebody would just be like, oh, that's what you want? Here's what you get. Now, he did the right thing of saying, hey, there's an opportunity here for you, but he went freaking overboard, right? Once again, this is why you should join HVACTechSecrets.com. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, and explain some other things that are costing you deals. There you go. You got one of two things to do from here. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. You can even hit follow. Just want to let you know that I appreciate you. We'll see you soon. Mahalo.